How to add a table to a bulb page and format it. Tap the blue plus button at the top left of the formatting toolbar and then choose Table. Tap in the grid to select the area that represents the number of rows and columns you would like to add. No worries if you do not get it exactly. You'll always be able to delete and add rows as you're working. Tap somewhere in the table to access the formatting toolbar. The first two buttons are for adding and deleting columns and rows. You also have the ability to add a column header and a row header. If I tap in the very first cell and then I choose the header column button and turn that on, the entire column will turn gray, indicating that is a column header. A row header works the same way. I'll tap to select, choose the drop down for row, turn on the row header, and now my top row is shaded with gray. The third button allows me to merge and split cells. Let's see what happens if I merge this cell right, and I continue to merge right. I can also split cells, making one individual cell become two. The next formatting button with the star is for table properties. Here I can change the border color, the width of the border, the background color, and the alignment on the page, left, center, or right, and tap Save. The next button with the star on it and a single cell highlighted is for the table properties of the individual cell. So I'm going to make some edits to this header row that I have merged together to make one cell. I'll tap on that button. I can change the color. I can change the width of that cell and the height. I can change the padding, that is the space that is between the cell edges and the cell content. I can also adjust the alignment of the text within that cell. Left aligned, centered, right aligned, or justified. And I can change the bottom to top alignment of that text. Is it aligned at the top? Is the text aligned in the center of the cell, or is it aligned down at the bottom of the cell? Tap Save. And the final button opens a caption box at the bottom of your table so that you can add a caption to it. And that's adding tables to a bulb page on the web version of Bulb, brought to you by your Coppell ISD Digital Learning Coaches.